Oliver Slope is standing by at the Chicago trading floor. He's there right now, and I've been waiting to see what the action is like there behind you, Oliver. Is it like an echo chamber today? Is there much going on or not?
It's starting to get pretty quiet, and you're starting to see some of the traders here head for the exits and enjoy the holiday with their families. And we hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. But we're kind of here at some pivotal price points here going into the holiday trade. 388 to 390 is an area we've been talking about for a while for that March corn contract. Represents the 50 and 100-day moving average, but I think more significantly, it was a breakdown point from that quarterly stocks report back in September, and then was also pretty significant area in October. So there's a lot of interaction between the bulls and the bears here. We know that the funds still have a nice short position of about 95,000 contracts. They bought back about 20,000 last week. If we're able to achieve consecutive closes out above this resistance pocket, top end of that being 390, potentially that spurs some short covering and sets us up into a good spot going into 2020 with a potential target of 410, which represents a 200-day moving average, a key Fibonacci retracement, and those October highs.
Now, I was looking out, if you go to the red December, it looks like it's barely over $4 if you go way out there. What does that tell you about marketing potential for next year's crop?
Well, we have started to work with some clients and locking some things in out in that December contract. We still think that there's probably a little bit more opportunity for that market to work a little bit higher, so we're not getting overly aggressive. But if you look back historically, it seems that new crop December contract likes to gravitate towards about 420 at least once a year, so we're still hoping there's a little bit more juice left in that grape. But again, starting to dip the toes in on some hedges here.
All right, it's getting that time of year. Okay, we'll come back here in a moment and we'll take a look at what's going on in cattle and hog markets here on a Monday. We're talking with Oliver Slope, and we'll be right back.